In this video, we will learn how to withdraw Euro from Binance to Revolut. First, go to the Binance website and log into your account. Now, click on the profile icon located in the top right menu to access your account. Next, on the assets to view your wallet and balance here, tap on withdraw to indicate the withdrawal process. Then, search for Euro in the list of assets and select it. After that, open your Revolut app to find your account or your Euro deposit details. Then copy the necessary details. Now, return to Binance and enter all these details as the withdrawal address. Then, select the appropriate network for your transfer. Binance will recommend the best option based on your details that you have provided. Finally, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction by following the on-screen prompts. Once done, Euro will be transferred to your Revolut app within 3 to 5 business days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.